In this video, I'll show you how you can actually create this typography manipulation from this to this. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'll also be showing you how you can actually create this kind of effect. And also, if you subscribe to this channel, I will show you how you can get creative with your smartphone. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. So you select this. So all the material used in this video will be listed in the description. So right here, depending on your image you can come to this plus icon and work on any of these editing. So as for me, I would be using this ready-made preset. So I'll be using pop for this. So and here is it. So once it is applied, I'll just click on this check mark and I'll click on apply. So here is my before and here is my after. So next thing I want to do is to come to this pencil icon and I'll come to my double exposure. So right here you can see this plus icon. So this open image. So you select it and you want to use any of these typography effect. It will be listed in the description. So make sure you check it out. So I would just adjust my text like this. So once you are okay with that, you want to come to this middle, this style, and you want to select different blend mode, the one that best suits your design. So I love any of this, and because of the effect is too much on my design, so I can click on so I am okay with this. So once the effect is too much on your design, you can come to your opacity right here and you would adjust. So I want the texture to be shown, so that's why I'll be reducing it up to this level. So depending on your image, you might be okay with not changing the opacity. So I'll click on OK. So once it is applied, so you can see the effect is still applied on it. So I'll come to this option. This is edit stack. So I want to select it and you click on view edit. So once you select the view edit option, this is your double exposure that you want to edit, and you want to click on the middle option right here. So here is it. You have this option to invert and stuff like this, and so I'll just click on invert and I want to erase my design. So you can use this option to adjust your brush size. So really quick, let's get started. Okay, so now that you have it like this, I think it's making sense. So if you are not okay with the opacity, you can also click on the option to edit it right here. So you want to come to your double exposure and click on this. So you come to opacity and you want to adjust it like this. So then click on apply. So and if that is what you want, so for me, I'm okay with this. I will just adjust it back. I want the effect to look natural. So once you are done with this, you want to click on this back option and it is applied on the image. So you click on this export option. Alright, after you are done exporting, you want to click on this open option again, and I would select my Snapseed. So here is my image and I'll select it like so. Come to your plus pencil icon and you come to your black and white right here. So you select it and you want to select the one that suits your design. So as for me, I'll use darken and I can adjust it with this option adjust. So I'll just reduce my opacity and increase my contrast. So and that is how we go about it, guys. So if you love this video, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'd love to see you guys in my next upload.